This is my Jeep update for Saturday, December the 9th. Doing the 500-mile gear oil change for the new Dana 35 gears. Also, inspection of metal, if any. And as you can see in the pictures, a gear pattern. Not sure if this pattern I found is good or bad. Yes, I'm gonna have to do a little research before I button it up. And the differential was operating smoothly, and I heard very little noise, if any.
My Jeep update for Saturday, December 9th. If that's wrong, I'll correct it in caption. But I'm doing my first gear oil change, Dana 35, since new gears. And I just pulled the cover off. And so far it's looking pretty good. It's still draining. I'm gonna let it drain as much as possible before I go in there and start looking around. I'm gonna go to the cover and check out the magnet and see if I see any chunks. Anyway, so far it looks really good. Okay, here's the cover. So far I don't see nothing in there. This here just seems like gear oil. Now the magnet, I do feel something that feels like some slush there, and I don't know if there's any fine metal in there or not, but I think everything I think everything looks pretty good. I felt some what feels like rough stuff, a little fine rough stuff over here, but overall I don't see no chunks or anything, so I'm gonna call that good to go there. Now after I let the gear oil drip out as much as possible, I'm gonna come back after lunch and I'm gonna do an inspection of the gears, and we'll go from there. My Jeep out. Okay, this is my Jeep. I'm back here inspecting the gears. I really can't tell much. Lack of experience. Everything looks good. I didn't find any metal anywhere. Maybe some real tiny fine metal in the cover around the magnet. But I don't know. See, I can't tell if I've got that coast pattern. I saw some teeth that looked like it was forward, but in my Yukon book that seemed acceptable. And let me see if I can. Oh wait, I'm looking at it. Okay, I can't remember. Let me get the light on it. Now I'm not sure if the wear mark is towards the center or out there on the end. That may be where there was no contact. I'm not sure, but that's what I'm finding, so I really don't know. Hope that comes out. Again, let's see if I can see anything on the. That's the drive side. I think it's wearing the way it's supposed to. I just don't have enough experience, but I don't see any metal anywhere, and the differential seems pretty damn quiet. I might send these in and see if somebody can help me with this out. Give it a quick clean out with a brake clean it.